all you lovely people, welcome to Everything Crochet and More. I am your host Hetal Patel and this is the video tutorial for Summer Blossom Coaster. Now this coaster is the first project of 2018. This coaster is made up of two different variety of threads. So here at the core, this simple flower is made up of two threads of size 20. And the peripheral petals here, you can see, is made up of size 10 cotton threads. So two size 20 thread together they form a thicker size 10 thread. So here there's a cotton and viscose shiny blend thread here. So I've kept in the textures of the thread as well, I've kept a complete contrast of shiny in the middle and starchy matte finish cotton thread at the periphery. This coaster is made up of 7 rounds in total, and I have divided this video tutorial in 3 parts. So this is the part 1 of our Summer Blossoms coaster. So this coaster is about 6 inches in diameter, and I have used 2.5 mm crochet hook for this coaster with both the threads, the shiny thread as well as the cotton thread, and very easy to make, very different and unconventional coaster. I'll be using this coaster motif to make various projects as well, so stay tuned for that. And without any further ado, let's begin with our Summer Blossoms coaster motif. Now here I've used 2 different threads. If you all want, you all can do that and give it a contrasting look, or you all can use same thread throughout the whole motif. So here, as you know, this simple core flower, I'll be using 2 size 20 thread, that is equivalent to 1 size 10 thread. So here I've used a shiny viscose and cotton blend, these silky threads. So let's begin with a slip knot. Now that done, we'll be making a foundation ring of chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that done, we'll be making a ring with a slip stitch in the first chain of this chain 6 foundation base. So here put your hook through the first chain stitch like so, and a slip stitch like so to make a chain 6 foundation ring. Now that done, now we'll begin with our round 1. So round 1 begins with chain 1 and a single crochet in this chain 6 ring. So put in the chain 6 ring like so and pull thread through like so and single crochet. Now single crochet done. Now we'll be making chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 chains done. Now a single crochet in the ring like so. That done, again followed by chain 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7 and 8. 8 chains done. Again we'll be making a single crochet in the ring. So put your hook in the ring like so and pull thread through like so and make a single crochet. Now with this we finish 2 petals of this round 1. We'll be making 12 such petals. So now let's repeat the process of making 8 chains followed by a single crochet in the ring 9 more times to finish the next 9 petals. And the last petal, that is the 12th petal, we'll be making together. So let's finish making the next 9 petals of our round 1. Now the 9th repetition done. We should have 11 chain 8 loops with us right now. So 2. Now let's finish making the last petal and we'll finish our round 1. So chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 chains done. Now we'll finish our round 1 with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch. So put your hook through the first single crochet of this round like so, and yarn over and pull thread through like so to make a slip stitch. Now that done, now we'll cut off the thread like and we'll weave in the ends. With this we finish with our round 1. Now let's begin with our round 2. So here I'm using size 10 cotton thread. Now let's begin with our round 2. Begin with a slip knot in the new thread. That done. Now select any one of the petals of our 12 petal flower here and put your hook under its chain 8 loop like so and make a slip stitch like so. Now that done, chain 1 and we'll be making a single crochet in the same chain 8 loop. So put your hook under the same loop like so and make a single crochet. Now that done, now we'll be making chain 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 done. Now we'll single crochet in the next chain 8 loop like so. So here we've made one chain 3 loop, the first chain 3 loop of our round 2. Now we'll be making 11 more such chain 3 loops. So we'll be repeating this pattern of chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and followed by a single crochet in the next chain 8 loop like so. Now 2 done, 10 more to go. So let's finish making the next 9 chain 3 loops and single crochets and the last one we'll make together. Now the 11th chain 3 loop done. Now let's finish making the last chain 3 loop. So for that we'll be making chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3 followed by a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of our round 2. So put your hook through the first single crochet stitch like so and a slip stitch. Now with this we finish with round 2. Now round 3 begins with chain 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now 6 chains done. Now yarn over once and a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch. So put your hook through that single crochet, that is the first single crochet of the previous round, and make a double crochet. Now that done, followed by chain 2, 1 and 2, and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. So put your hook under that chain 3 loop and a single crochet. That done, followed by chain 3, 1, 1, 2 and 3. Now 3 chains done and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so. Now that done, followed by chain 2 again. So 1 and 2 and yarn over once and a double crochet in the next single crochet stitch. So put your hook in that single crochet stitch, like so, and a double crochet, like so. Now that done, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 3 done, again yarn over once and a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch. So put your hook in the same single crochet stitch, like so, and a double crochet. Now this round is a bit difficult to follow, so what I'll be doing is I'll make 1, now chain 2, 1 and 2. Now this round is a bit difficult, so you get through this round, then you're golden with the whole process, with the whole motif. So chain 2 done and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. So put your hook under that loop and a single crochet, like so. Now that done, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 done and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so. Now that done, again chain 2, 1 and 2 and a double crochet in the next single crochet stitch, like so. Followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch, like so. That done, followed by chain 2, 1 and 2 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop. So put your hook under the next chain 3 loop and a single crochet, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so. Again chain 2, 1 and 2, followed by a double crochet in the next single crochet stitch, like so. Again followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, yarn over once and a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch. Again chain 2, 1 and 2 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so, followed by again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so. Again followed by chain 2, 1 and 2 and a double crochet in the next single crochet stitch, like so. Double crochet done, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, followed by a double crochet again in the same single crochet stitch, and that done, followed by chain 2, 1 and 2 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so. That done, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop, like so, followed by again chain 2, 1 and 2 and a double crochet in the next single crochet stitch, like so. Again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and yarn over once and a double crochet in the same single crochet stitch. So put your hook in that single crochet stitch like so, and a double crochet. That done, again we were making chain 2, 1, 2 and a single crochet in the next chain 3 loop like so, followed by chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, followed by a single crochet in the next, that is the last chain 3 loop of our previous round like so. That done, chain 2, 1 and 2, and we'll finish our round 3 with a slip stitch in the third chain of the first chain 6 loop. 1, 2 and 3, put your hook in that third chain stitch like so, and pull yarn through to make a slip stitch. Now that done, this is what our coaster should look like. With 6 raised chain 3 loops and 6 chain 3 loop at a lower level. So this is what coaster motif should look like at the moment. At this stage, so give it a good stretch, and this. So with round 3 we finish with the part 1 of our Summer Blossoms Coaster motif video tutorial, and in round 2 we will continue with the round 4 and 5. So if you like what you see, then hit that thumbs up, comment, share, and please subscribe to our channel for latest video tutorials. And I'll see you all in the part 2 of this video tutorial. Until then, take care, bye bye, and happy crocheting.